Let's talk about enticement and harboring under the law of tort. Enticement under the law of tort is when you induce, incite a married woman to leave her matrimonial home. Our law under the Matrimonial Causes Act shows that there is respect for the institution of marriage. The court is not in a hurry to separate spouses from each other. And that is why the Matrimonial Causes Act has made provision for trying to reconcile the spouses. And when a specific period of time has passed and they're not able to come together, they can return back to the court to dissolve the marriage or to hear the petition for dissolution of the marriage. So, for somebody who is still in a subsisting marriage and you induce, incite, or entice that person away from her husband, such a man is entitled to bring an action against you under the law of tort, and the courts will be glad to hear such a petition against you. This is because the court will look at the consortium such enticement has denied the man from. Taking that wife away from him has denied him companionship, has denied him the help, has denied him the fellowship that he's supposed to have in such a marriage. So you must be very careful how you relate with married people. You feel that okay, the man she's living with is not good enough. She's so attractive and she's so beautiful, she's not being taken care of. You are the one who is going to polish her and let her skin radiate. She is still married, she has not been divorced from that man. So when that man brings an action against you, the court will listen to him. Why? Because the law respects sanctity of the marriage institution. Except such a man decides to look away, except such a man decides to ignore, or he decides that he does not want to exercise such rights under our laws. So you must be very careful. On the other hand, an errant wife leaves her husband's house and you take her in. That is straight action from her husband. Such a husband does not need to prove anything before the court. It is obvious, it is glaring that you are having that woman under your roof. I know that you want to do a good job. I know that you want to be nice to the other person. You don't want the person out in the cold, but you must also pay attention to know the facts that are in issue. You to know the facts that are going on, the circumstances that surround the woman leaving her matrimonial home. So that you don't also, in your act of kindness, in your act of doing good, you now enter into another serious trouble that you have to start proving yourself in order to stay off the hook. You know, we have promised you from the beginning of this year that on this page, we'll keep bringing you premium legal content to help you live informed lives and make informed decisions. And this is a promise that we intend to keep. We ask that you follow us, like and subscribe to our page to keep us going. Thank you. I hope you have learned something today.